Hello kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Today in our grammar class, we are going to learn and discuss about lesson 5, articles. Now kids, how many alphabets are there in all? There are 26 letters in alphabets. Now from them, how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O and U. These 5 are vowels and remaining are consonant. Now kids, we are having 3 articles. Which are the articles? A, N and the. Now, what are the rules of using these articles? A, N and the. First we will see of A. A is used before a consonant sound. A is used before unfamiliar objects or introducing a single object. For example, a tree, a chair, a university, a cup. Here kids, now you might be thinking, I have spoken a university. How it can be A before U? Now, before pronouncing anything, we have to keep in mind what we are speaking. According to the pronunciation, university, it starts with U, Y-O-U, Y. Okay kids, so before university, which article will come? A. Because pronunciation of university is U, Y. So we are using a university. Now N. N is used before words expressing starting with a vowel sound. A is used before unfamiliar object or introducing a single object. Here kids, when we are using N, when it is a sound, words or expressions of vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, umbrella, that is U. An orange, O. An apple, that is A. An honest man. Okay, so here kids, see, honest man. Here in we are writing H-O-N-E-S-T. We are not pronouncing it as honest. We are pronouncing it as honest man. Honest. O. Here we are using O. So it will come N before honest man. Instead of H-O-N-E-S-T, H word is here silent. So we are using N before the word honest. Now, see, these points are to be kept in mind when we are using A and N. A or N is used for singular nouns. A is used before a consonant sound. N is used before a vowel sound, as we have learned. Remember to use A and N depending on the pronunciation and not the spelling of the word. Here kids, have you read it carefully? Remember to use A and N depending on the pronunciation and not the spelling of the word. As we have seen of which spellings? Yes, university and honest. Now the points out some particular person or thing. Example, I returned the book. The book, why we are using the? Because I am returning the same book which you gave me. So here we are talking about one particular book. So we will write down I returned the book. The is used when it is clear from the context which person or thing is being talked about. Here the is used when we are talking about a clear, when we are clear from the context which person or thing we are talking about. First, let's go to the park near your house. So here the park is being specified, that is near your house. I like the big house near the park. I like the big house near the park. So here the house is particular, near the park. I gave food to the dog in our street. Here we are talking about a specific dog that comes to our street. So the dog. The is also used before superlative degree. Kids, we have already studied about degrees of adjectives. So before the superlative adjectives, we are using article the. Ravi is the tallest boy in our class. We are talking about Ravi. He is the tallest boy in our class. Yesterday was the hottest day of the month. Yesterday was the hottest day of the month. Neha is the best sports person of our school. The is used to generalize a group or whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Here, the dog means we are talking about the whole of the class of the dog. The banyan tree is a huge tree, means it is in common or a whole. You can say that all banyan trees are huge. The honest are rewarded. The poor people are often happier than the rich people. The is used for special names of places, rivers, books, newspapers, mountains, ranges, etc. So all these special names, which article we are using? We are using the. Now let's solve this exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct article. A and the. Jerry has dash laptop. So here we are not talking about a specific laptop. So which article will come? A laptop. I found dash one-eyed person. I found dash one-eyed person. Here O-N-E, one. It starts with V. See the pronunciation first. V. So which article will come? The article A will come. She is dash Indian. I, Indian. That is vowel. So an article will come. The Bible is a great book. Yes, because we are talking about a particular book, that is Bible. Can I have dash watermelon? Can I have a watermelon? Good. Now fill in the blanks with A and the in the story given below. Here a small story is been given. We have to use articles A and the. It was a pleasant night. Dash moon was looking calm and relaxed. The moon. We are talking about specific, that is moon. Jiffy dash owl was hungry. Here we are talking about a specific owl, that is Jiffy. So the owl was hungry. It sat on a branch of a big tree, a big oak tree, looking for ants and rats. Dash road in front was not visible. Dash road in front was not visible. Here we are talking about specific road. So the road in the front was not visible. Jiffy turned its head towards dash field behind it. Jiffy turned its head towards dash behind it field. Dash field behind it. So which article will come? The. Good. It was dash hour late than Jiffy was something move in dash grass. It was an hour late that Jiffy saw something move in the grass. Good. Was it dash rat? So here the rat is not been specified. So a rat. Jiffy fixed its eye on the spot. Hidden in the grass was a big snake. It can be any snake. So a big snake. Dash owl was shocked. Here we are already seen that owl is been specified by the name Jiffy. So the owl was shocked. It was thankful it has not swooped down to caught what it thought was a rat. So kids, this was all about our chapter articles. Thank you. Take care.